In this video, we're going to look at household bills. The example we have here is a generic enough electricity bill. And we're just going to go through this bit by bit and fill in the red boxes to calculate the amount that would be due if this was our bill. First thing we're going to look at is our meter readings. The electricity meter, will count the amount of units used since the unit was first installed, since the meter was first installed. So our most recent reading, our present reading, said that we have used 55,347 units since the installation of the meter. And our previous reading said that we'd used 53,291 units since the installation of the meter. We only need to know the units we used between those two readings to calculate this out. And the way we will do that is we will take 55,347 and take away 53,291. And when we do that, we're going to get 2,056. So 2,056. So we can fill that in now. 2,056. That is the number of units used of electricity between our two readings. Now our next step up is to calculate the cost of the units used. Now we're given our rate per unit right there, and it is 9 cents per unit. So if we used 2,056 of them, in order to calculate out how much that cost, we're going to multiply that by 0.09. And if we multiply that by 0.09, we're going to get €185.04. So that is the cost of the units used. So it's 185.04. Okay. Now we get to our standing charge. Our standing charge is a charge that is applied to our bill regardless of how much units we used of either electricity or gas or whatever. Alright? It is a flat rate charge. It's not going to be dependent upon the amount that we used of the goods or service. So what we're going to do is we're going to add our 471 onto our 185.04. And when we do that, we get 189.75. So 189.75. And we can fill that in here. It's 189.75. Okay. Our next bit up is VAT on this is charged at 12%. So we need to find 12% of 189.75. Well, the way we do that is we're going to multiply 189.75 by 0.12. And that will give us 12% of it. If we do that out, we're going to get 22.77, so €22.77. So that is how much our VAT is going to be on this, so 22.77. And the last thing we need to do in order to calculate our total due is add our total before VAT and VAT together. So we're adding 189.75 and €22.77, and we will get €212.52. So 212.52. And that is how we calculate out a household bill.